Good morning, dear students. How are you? I hope you are fit and fine. I think you enjoyed your summer vacations. Some students are new today. They are most welcome in the class. And one more thing I want to share with you that in this year CBSE announced the result of class 12 by taking the average of 10th, 11th and 12th class. So for you 11th class is very important. So be ready for the class 11. Now we discuss chapter number 3, trigonometric functions. In this chapter there are some definitions. Before starting the exercise, left 2 or 3 pages of your register for writing the basic terms. Now first is angle. What is angle? Definition of angle: the amount of revolution of a ray from its initial position to the terminal position. What is angle? The amount of revolution of a ray from its initial position to the terminal position. For example, let this is the ray AB. This is the initial position. Of the ray AB. After some time, the position of AB becomes this. This is the terminal position. Then this revolution is called angle. जितना ये रिवॉल्व करती रहेगा यहाँ पे, ये AB initial position to terminal position. This is ray AB. After some time, the position of AB is this. Then this revolution is called a angle. And the direction of the revolving, the direction of the ray is anti-clockwise. ये anti-clockwise direction होता है ऐसे. This is the anti-clockwise direction. If the direction is anti-clockwise, angle is positive. This angle is positive angle. And if the direction is clockwise, the angle is negative. For example, let this is ray AB, this is ray AB, and this is the initial position. After some time, let the position of the AB is this. This is the terminal position. Then this angle is negative angle. This angle is a negative angle. Okay? If I repeat again, if the direction is anti-clockwise, then angle is positive, and if the direction is clockwise, the angle is a negative angle. Now we discuss units of angle. Units of angle. First is a degree. Units of angle. First is degree. What is the degree? Degree is the 1/360th part of a complete revolution of a ray is called 1 degree. And is denoted by 1 degree. the 1/360th part of a complete revolution, एक complete revolution का बेटा 360th part is called 1 degree. For example, let this is the ray and this is the complete revolution of this ray. जैसे बेटा ये आपकी रे है AB is the ray and this is the complete revolution. कंप्लीट रिवोल्यूशन ऐसे बेटा दोबारा से इसी पोजीशन पे आ गई, तो ये कंप्लीट रिवॉल्व कर गई। तो इस कंप्लीट रिवोल्यूशन का 360th पार्ट 1/360th पार्ट, तो जैसे मान लो इसके आप 360 पार्ट कर दें, इस कंप्लीट रिवोल्यूशन के आप 360 पार्ट कर दें, कट कर दें इसको 360 पार्ट में, तो उसका 1 पार्ट इज कॉल्ड ए 1 डिग्री। जैसे यहाँ पे है ये 1 पार्ट होगा। Let this is the 1 part of this complete revolution and complete revolution के आप 360 पार्ट में, तो एक पार्ट को क्या बोलेंगे बेटा 1 डिग्री। This 1 part is called a 1 degree. Understand? Now another units of angle are 1 degree equal to 60 minute. 60 minute can be written as minute. Minute is also the angle of unit. Minute is also the unit of angle. Minute is also the unit of angle, and 1 minute equal to 60 seconds. 60 seconds. 1 degree equal to 60 minute and 1 minute equal to 60 second. Minute and second are also units of angle, जो डिग्री से छोड़ती हैं बेटा। Now we discuss another unit, radian. Another unit is a radian. Radian is also the unit of angle. And now we define radian. The angle subtended at the center of a unit circle, at the center of a unit circle by an arc of unit length is called a 1 radian. Is called a 1 radian and is denoted by 1 radian. This is the notation. Now what is the radian? Now I will explain. The angle subtended at the center of a unit circle. Circle is unit. Unit circle means a circle whose radius is 1. Unit circle means a circle whose radius is 1. The angle subtended at the center of a unit circle by an arc of unit length. Arc की भी length क्या बेटा unit मतलब means 1 is called 1 radian and is denoted by 1 radian. 1 के ऊपर क्या लिखते हैं बेटा c. See, this is a unit circle. इसका रेडियस क्या बेटा 1. Radius is a 1. This is unit circle and this is an arc of length 1. इस arc की भी length क्या बेटा 1 यहाँ से आता है 1 is the length of this arc. This is 1. Now this is also 1. This is radius. Then this angle is called 1 radian. The angle subtended at the center. This is the center O. By an arc of unit length is called a 1 radian. Clear? ये complete जो angle है बेटा जो arc है आपकी ये 1 है तो 1 radian. If this arc is 2 then this is 2 radian. For example, let this is the circle of unit circle length and this is the 2 length is 2. Then this angle is a 2 radian. Then this angle is a 2 radian. Okay. Now we discuss the relation between the Now we discuss the relation between the degree and a radian. देखिएगा, we know that in degree this complete angle that now we again draw the figure and relation between degree and radian. Degree and a radian. This is the circle of unit length, unit circle 1, radius is 1. Now this complete revolution is 360 degree. Complete revolution is 360 degree. बेटा अगर हम डिग्री की बात करें तो ये कंप्लीट एंगल यहाँ पे जो बनेगा वो क्या होगा 360 डिग्री. एंड अगर हम बेटा बात करें रेडियन की तो ये कंप्लीट एंगल यहाँ पे रेडियन में क्या होगा बेटा आपका, व्हाट इज द सर्कमफ्रेंस ऑफ द सर्कल. सर्कमफ्रेंस ऑफ सर्कल इज 2 pi r, but r is 1. 2 pi into 1, 2 pi radian. And in degree this complete angle is 360. This angle is 360 in degree. Therefore 2 pi radian is equal to 360 degree. डिग्री में बेटा ये कंप्लीट एंगल आपका 360 है, कंप्लीट एंगल इज 360 डिग्री. और रेडियन में बेटा ये एंगल जो आपका है वो क्या है 2 पाई रेडियन. नाउ पाई रेडियन 2 से डिवाइड करें बेटा इसको. पाई रेडियन इक्वल टू 360/2 इज इक्वल टू 180 डिग्री. तो दिस इज द रिलेशन बिटवीन डिग्री एंड रेडियन. Pi radian is equal to 180 degree. This angle is in radian and this angle is in degree. This is the relationship between degree and a radian. Clear? Now we discuss some questions of exercise 3.1. In exercise 3.1, first we discuss the changement of degree in radian and radian in degree. How we can change? Exercise 3.1. First question. Now we solve some questions. Exercise 3.1. First question. Find the radian measure corresponding to the following degree measure. Second part solve करते हैं. And first, third and fourth part you can solve easily yourself. First part is -47 degree 30 minutes. This angle is in degree. We have to change this angle is in radian. First, change this minute in degree. We know that 1 degree equal to 60 minutes or 60 minutes equal to 1 degree. Then 30 minutes is, इसको बेटा आप चेंज करेंगे डिग्री में तो 30 डिवाइड बाय 60 डिग्री कैंसल 1/2. This becomes -47 is to 1/2 degree. And this becomes -95/2 डिग्री. बेटा पहले आप सबसे पहले जो मिनट और सेकंड यहाँ पे हैं एंगल की यूनिट, यहाँ पे सिर्फ मिनट है तो इसको आप डिग्री में चेंज करें. डिग्री में चेंज करने के लिए डिवाइड बाय 60 करें. डिवाइड बाय 60 तो 1/2. तो ये -47 is to 1/2. दिस इज द मिक्स्ड फ्रैक्शन. Convert this mixed fraction into improper fraction. 47 into 2 plus 1, 95/2 degree. Now we know that 180 degree equal to pi radian. 180 degree equal to pi radian. This is the relationship between degree and radian. Then 1 degree equal to pi by 180 radian, and minus 95 by 2 degree becomes pi by 180 multiply minus 95 by 2, and this becomes minus, cancel out 5 and 19 beta 36, and this becomes minus 19 pi by 72 radian. This is the आंसर ऑफ दिस क्वेश्चन। बेटा डिग्री में था, हमने इसको रेडियन में चेंज किया, माइनस 19 पाई बाय 72 रेडियन। दिस इज रिप्रेजेंट रेडियन। ओके, नाउ वी डिस्कस सेकंड क्वेश्चन। नाउ यू सॉल्व फर्स्ट 3 क्वेश्चंस इजीली। फर्स्ट 3 क्वेश्चन, first 3 parts, first part, third part and fifth part of first question you can solve it easily. Now question number 2. Find the degree measure corresponding to the following radian measure. In this question we have to find the degree measure of the radian measure, means we change radian into degree. Question number 2, we discuss first part 11 by 16 radian. This is the radian, and we have to find the degree measure of this angle. We know that solution, we know that pi radian is equal to 180 degree. 1 radian is equal to 180 by pi, and 11 by 16 radian is equal to 180 by pi multiply 11 by 16. 180 by pi into 11 by 16. Now put the value of pi. Pi is 22 by 7 into 11